Do you bring terror to the streets when you get behind the wheel? Is your wife and kids scared to ride with you when you're pulling the trailer? Look no further, sir. You need a road warrior. Times 2. Alright guys, we're going to go check out the front of this beast. So, on this RV, you're going to get 3 air conditioners, all Dometic, all on the thermostat. It's located in here. You're going to have a closet area. And also, you're going to have a washer and dryer hookup. Have our 3-burner stove, electric ignition, Furrion microwave, and also digital oven. So this right here, Peninsula, will actually sit still. How this operates is this full slide will actually slide over this Peninsula all the way up to the edge of the sink. Right over here, guys, we're going to have the entertainment area. So this is where you can watch whatever you want to watch. Probably football, let's be honest. But whatever you want to watch. Down here, you're also going to have a fully electric fireplace. This works very, very well in mild winters as a heating source. It will not replace your furnace, but it will work as a heat maintainer. Oh, hey guys, what's up? I'm just chilling back here in the back of this enormous, no, I mean, it's not going to reverberate, it's not that big, but it's pretty large for a toy hauler. Well, as you see back here, you can fit a Polaris RZR, maybe a Ranger, probably a 4-seat golf cart, maybe 6, but you're going to have to shove it pretty far up your butt. Also, you're going to have a television. Back ramp does fold down, pops up to be a patio with 4-season doors to keep the weather out. And we have a wet bath. Yep. Well guys, that's going to wrap up this video. Thank y'all for watching, and stay tuned for something else awesome. Let me know what you guys like to see. Let me know what you want to see, what you want to know more about, what you want to know less about. What I do wrong for my viewers, or what I do right for my viewers. Thank y'all. Y'all guys have a good day.